Back in the top of the third, in for Yoendris Gomez is Edgar Barclay, who has been one of the top pitchers and relievers in the Eastern League and in the Yankees system this season. 16 2/3 innings of work, and he season with 26 punch-outs. He faces the two-hitter in the order, Carlos De La Cruz, with runners on first and second, and 2 outs lefty. Winds and delivers. First pitch fouled back out of play. 0-1 to the 6'8" De La Cruz is lifted on the and the 0-2. Swing and a miss for strike 3. De La Cruz goes down on the changeup, swinging. 2 runners stranded on base after 1 hit in front of home plate, throwing down at third base. First pitch to Wilson, fouled back on the day with a strikeout against Yoendris Gomez. Back in the second, swings and misses through the Barclay foul as the 0-2. Fourth run, clean slate as Wilson swings and misses through the slider on the 2-2. For the second, Casey Martin, a former third-round pick, digs in. First pitch from Barclay in there. As the 0-1, as soon as he was drafted, as he waves and misses at the 0-2. Slider, strike 3. So a pair of Ks in the inning for Edgar Barclay.
And Barclay deals the first pitch. Swing and a miss. Nothing. Lefty deals an 0-1. Swing and a miss. Below the letters. Deals an 0-2. Swing and a miss. Strike 3. Down on 3 strikes goes Stokes. And the dominance continues from Edgar Barclay, his Rojas. First pitch. Barclay's 1-0. Shaves the inside corner. Within called 1-1. Swing and a miss. And deals a 1-2. Swing and a miss. Strike 3 as Martin went almost down to a knee. Here's Dunn, who's been on base twice with walks. Infield to the right. First pitch. Swing and a miss. Nothing. 0-1. In there. Called. Deals a 2-2. And Dunn swings and misses. Strike 3. A season high 6 strikeouts for Edgar Barclay in back-to-back outings.